Nucleic acids. Nucleic acids are implies generally they occur in the nucleus of the cells, but sometimes they are also present in the cytoplasm. Like protein, they are the biopolymers. You mean they are important biomolecules, or you can say the important macromolecules. They not only store and transmit hereditary information from parents to children, from one generation to another generation, but even in all living organisms, you can say all living organisms, whether they are plants, animals, or even viruses, in all living, even a single fertilized egg carries the information for making a different organs, whatever the different organs present in the body, like heart, liver, eyes, kidneys, and hands. Each organ of the body, heads, etc., and etc., all information carried in it or stored in it. They contain elements like carbon, hydrogen, oxygen, nitrogen, but sometimes you can say phosphorus is also present. Nucleic acids are simply, you can define in such scenario, that macromolecules which are formed by the polymerization of nucleotide. Nucleotides are the simpler ones, or monomers, which join together to form nucleic acids. So macromolecules are formed by the polymerization of nucleotides are called nucleic acid. Nucleic acids are composed of pentose sugar, phosphate group, nitrogenous base, all these one. Now what about the types? There are two type of nucleic acids. Both type of nucleic acids are present in all animals and plants, in everyone. They are present. One is DNA. You mean deoxyribonucleic acid. Deoxyribose sugar you also found in DNA, you can say. J. Watson or F. Frick, who identified this structure in 1953, is a two-chain double-stranded molecule. What in it has? The sugar, phosphate, and nitrogenous base, all these combined are seen. It is simply two chains or two bases which are joining this double helix. Both are present in the bases. Total, you can say the length of this, it seems as 2 meters, which is present in the 0.24 micrometer of the cell. If we combine total length of DNA, you can say that it is present 10 billion to 1000 billion, because trillion cells are present in the body of humans. So they are present. In the DNA, you will see adenine, thymine, guanine, and cytosine. But one thing is not present in it. That one is uracil. Uracil is present in the RNA, not DNA. So you can say that in the nucleus, DNA is permanent storage for what? Genetic information. You know that it not only transport but store all the genetic information from parents to the generation to generation, and that information is conveyed and transmitted, and construction of the proteins is also used from that information, from amino acid which provide from one generation to another generation. That's why it is called genetic code of life. They decide whether a cell will be a muscle cell, nerve cell, or organism, man, tree, buffalo, whatever they will be. And secondly, the protein formation is also in the new cell is determined by it, by a sequence of nitrogenous bases. Nitrogenous bases, you mean adenine, thymine, guanine, all these ones. Now DNA is a double helix construction. Why double helix? Because it shows that there will be no any kind of disorder. Their DNA contain genes which regulate RNA production. Why RNA production? Because RNA convey the information what proteins should be formed. Error in the genes can cause, incorrect DNA. Incorrect DNA, that it will lead to any kind of abnormality or disease, genital disease, by birth diseases. These diseases or genetic disorders is seen whenever DNA is not properly formed. Now, what is then RNA? RNA is made up of ribose sugar in its molecule. One is one stranded, not double stranded, and it also putting information from one cell to another for protein formation or produce the protein. Its function is same like a messenger. You can say that is a messenger of the DNA which convey these messages. So DNA, RNA is also not only convey the genetic information in such a sequence that can be easily made by. And DNA is a change of guiding the production of new proteins whenever they are. One thing you will see in it, that one is the uracil, which is not present in the DNA. DNA is thymine, but here is uracil, which is present in the RNA. DNA is so much important. RNA is nucleic acid is so much important. Is like DNA and RNA, most vital and material for all cell functioning. It gives it. Actually, storage of genetic information is concerned with nucleic acid, or you can say mutation to save the cells or from threatening any kind of body. Also, nucleic acids. You can say the transfer hereditary character from one generation to another is also concerned with nucleic acid, and it also a source of energy in the form of ATP. That one is also concerned with nucleic acid. So nucleic acid is one of the important one for the body of the humans or all living organisms, whether plants or whether animals. All that one is concerned with it. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe my channel.